Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Joy. So today I'm going to be reviewing this mini portable washing machine I bought from Amazon. It's very simple and easy to use. It has 3 wash modes to choose from: 5 minutes standard washing, 10 minutes soft washing, and 2 minutes to drain the clothes. A place to plug the cord and a draining hose. Press for small items like underwear, socks, baby clothes, and lightweight t-shirts. I wouldn't use it for heavy jeans or towels. Press for apartments, dorms, hotels, travel, and small laundry loads, because you can fold it and put it inside your bag. Used this a couple of times, that's why you have the stain at the bottom, but all in all, I love this. Down on how to use the machine: load your clothes, and very light clothes like I said, and I like to add the water to fill up the clothes, and then a little bit of detergent, not too much. Cover it and let this wash. Choose any mode that works for you. I like to choose the 10 minutes. After it's done washing, you can drain the water from the hose. Let the water drain very well, and at this point you can rinse or you can spin this, but I always like to rinse it for 5 minutes. And so I will add water, and then I will choose the standard washing, the 5 minutes option, and I will rinse this for 5 minutes. Drain the water again after you rinse it. If you're rinsing, then you can now spin the clothes for 2 minutes. What I love about this washing machine is because it's foldable and it's easy to use. It actually does clean well for light clothes. The only thing is that you can only wash a few clothes at the same time, so it takes you a lot of times to wash those clothes. Only light clothes, nothing like towels, jeans, or none of that. Other than that, I love it. I have the product on Amazon. The link is down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews from Amazon, lifestyle content, and real life hacks. Until next time, take care.